Hello children, today we are going to learn the chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, which is written by Satyajit Ray. It is a humorous story in which the main character, which is Bipin Babu, is made to believe himself sick, but actually he was not sick. He thinks that he has a lapse of memory, but in truth, there was nothing wrong with him. It was only the prank of his friend Chunilal. Before going the chapter, first we will know about some new words. Stepped out, come forward. Symptoms, signs, desperately, hopelessly. Asylum, shelter. Clamped, bounds with clamps. Affluence, abundance. Retribution as a punishment for. Thriller, exciting stories. Argument, reasoning, deliberate, well considered. First, we will discuss about the characters of the chapter. Bipin Chaudhary, who was an old man who had no children. He was living a lonely life after his wife's demise. He was working in reputed firm at responsible post and have few friends, and his brother was also died. He had keen interest in reading books. This is shown in starting of story. He stopped his car every Monday in New Market to buy books. He was very fond of reading books, so every Monday he is going to market to purchase the books. He never wanted to waste his time in idle chatting. It shows that Bipin Chaudhary was an introvert. Parimal Ghosh. He is round-faced, meek-looking man who interviewed Bipin Chaudhary, who met Bipin Chaudhary in a bookshop. He tried to make believe Bipin Babu that he had gone to Ranchi, and he had also provided many evidences that make Bipin rely on his statement. But Bipin Babu could not recognize Parimal Ghosh, and neither he believes that he had ever gone to Ranchi. Chuni Lal. He is school friend of Bipin Chaudhary. He previously worked in travel agency but now in a search of job. He kept visiting Bipin's house about the job, but Bipin always disregards him. Bipin Babu never wanted to help him financially. So he tried to take revenge by frustrating Bipin's mind through his imaginative. So he had made a plot in which he included Dinesh Mukherjee and Parimal Ghosh to make Bipin Babu realize that he has lost his memory. Dr. Paresh Chandra. He is a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. He is called by Bipin Chaudhary to treat memory loss problem. When Bipin Babu was not remembering the incidents happened in his life, then he called Mr. Paresh Chandra to treat him. Now we will go through the summary of the chapter. It was the habit of Bipin Chaudhary to stop on a bookshop present in New Market to purchase the books of his interest. As he was very much interested in reading books, so on every Monday he is going to the market to purchase books. But one day he encountered with Parimal Ghosh, a stranger, who had recognized Mr. Bipin Babu, but Bipin refused to identify him. As proof, Mr. Ghosh narrated him Ranchi incident, but Bipin replied that he had never been to Ranchi and told that he also don't know Ghosh. Later Ghosh described him his personal details as family, wife and kids, that his wife is no more and he has no kids and his brother has also died. So he has given all his personal details to Bipin Babu. Dinesh Mukherjee, his bungalow, but Bipin Babu was not ready to believe at him because he was thinking that he had never been to Ranchi. And he was thinking that maybe this stranger is wrongly identifying him. Bipin think over it. He was confused whether the Ghosh was telling lie or he was losing his memory. Then he decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee so that he could confirm the matter. He talked to Dinesh, but he also replied in positive. When he called up Dinesh, Dinesh also said that you have gone to Ranchi with me and recollected all other events also. Hearing all this, His head began to spin. Bipin Babu is now thinking again and again that I don't remember that I have gone to Ranchi, but now Dinesh Mukherjee is also saying that I had been to Ranchi, and the stranger Parimal Ghosh was also saying that he had been to Ranchi. Next day, when he reached home from office, his servant told him that Mr. Chuni Lal wanted to meet him. Chuni asked him for money, but Bipin Babu refused. Besides, he began to confirm about the incident of Ranchi and his last job just to verify if he was losing his memory or not. When Chuni came to their house, Bipin Babu wants to know from Chuni whether this was the truth or not. He wanted to confirm it from his childhood friend Chunilal. But Chunilal also replied positively. He told him that you had been to Ranchi, even I myself had booked tickets for you. And when we went into the train, the fan was not working and I have called up the electrician. So he also told that he had been to Ranchi. Now Bipin Chaudhary was getting confused that he is not remembering the whole incident that he had been to Ranchi. So everyone was saying that he had been to Ranchi. So he decided to call Dr. Paresh Chandra, who gave him remedy. At the end of the lesson, Bipin himself went to Hudro but couldn't retrieve his memory, as Dr. Chanda has advised him to visit the place again so that he will remember the things. When he reached Hudro, he felt unconsciousness there. He returned Calcutta and feeling that he will lose everything. There is no hope left in him. Few minutes later, Bipin's servant brought a letter which was describing Chuni's revenge for not helping him in at the time of need. Now Bipin understood all the matter that Chunilal has plotted against Bipin Babu, and he has not lost any memory. When Dr. Chanda again came to treat him, he was totally surprised. When Bipin told him that he was better now, he has taken a painkiller as he has fallen in Ranchi. So this was the whole chapter, that Bipin Chaudhary must help his friend and his friend should not make the prank in this way. So now we are going to do the short questions. Question 1. Which type of books did Bipin Babu used to read? Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. Bipin Babu likes to read these kind of stories which are full of thrills. Who meets Bipin Babu in bookshop? Parimal Ghosh, a stranger, met Bipin Babu in bookshop. Which incident did Bipin Babu forget? A trip to Ranchi incident Bipin Babu forgot. To whom Bipin wants to ring up? Bipin Babu wants to ring up his friend Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee to ask about the Ranchi incident. Who was Chuni Lal? Chuni Lal was the childhood friend of Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu went to Ranchi by train. What did the servant brought? The servant brought a letter written by Chuni Lal to Bipin Babu. What was the name of the doctor, Paresh Chandra, who was treating Bipin Babu? Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Who is the writer of this lesson? Satyajit Ray. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you, children.